Hi guys and welcome again to my channel. In today's video we will be making a pen stand at home. It acts as a lamp and a speaker too. So you can see how it is acting as a speaker. It can act as a lamp. I have given a light. I will on the switch and it is acting like a lamp. So let's see how it is made. For making this I have taken some pieces of MDA board. They are total 4 in numbers and the breadth of the pieces is 8.5 centimeter and the length is 11 centimeter. So now I have made a box out of these pieces. I have made a rectangular box and it is looking like this. Then I have given a finishing to it. So now I will be taking a piece of MDA board. The length is 11 centimeter and the breadth is 12 centimeter. So now I will be just taking this piece. These are two pieces. I will be sticking one of it like this here with instant glue. So the first piece is stick properly. So now I will be taking the second piece and I will also stick it here like this. So now I have sticked here the second piece. The gap between these pieces are of this scale. So the gap is around 3.5 centimeter is the gap between them. So now I have taken 3 pieces of MDA board. The length of these pieces is 11 centimeter and the breadth of these pieces is 2.5 centimeter. So now I will be sticking one piece here, one here and one here at the two ends. At the joint I will be sticking these 3 pieces. The pieces are of same length. So now I have taken 2 pieces of MDA board. The length of these pieces is 6.7 centimeter and the breadth is 2.5 centimeter. So now I will be just taking one piece and the other piece and stick them at a right angle like this. Like this I will be sticking them using instant glue. So now I have taken 2 more pieces of MDA board. They are small in size and the breadth is 2 centimeter and the length is 3 centimeter, around 2.5 centimeter. So these two pieces I will be sticking one like this here, one here and one here at the corners. Now I have attached the pieces properly. Then I have measured the length of the side and cutted a rectangular piece of this length. I have sticked it and then I have taken a metal piece which can be found inside a toy. This piece is used to hold a cell in the toy. I have taken it out, soldered one wire to it, and this wire is coming out from the slot which I have made by cutting. So now I will be showing you how would I fit it in the pen stand which we are making. On the back side of the pen stand, here where we have attached the 3 pieces, I have taken the piece which was behind this big pen stand. Here I have attached the spring here. This is a spring and the wire is coming out from here. So now I will be taking this board and attach it here, but we will be first taking the measurement. For giving this pen stand power, we will be using a 3.7 volt cell. This is rechargeable cell. So now we will be just attaching this cell here and give a push so that the spring is molded. Then we will stick here and please see that the cell is not loose to it. You can just tighten it by just applying pressure and the spring will make it tight and this will not fall. So now I will just stick it with instant glue. So now I have attached the piece here. You can see the cell is fitted properly and it is not falling. After fitting this part, I have used 2 pieces on the side because to fill the gap, and now it is looking nice. We can take the cell out like this and it can again go like this. So now more than half of the body is completed. So now we will be coming on the electronic component which I will be using in this. Here I have taken a 4 volt LED panel. You can see 4 volt DC. So it can be easily it can easily work on the 3.7 volt cell which we have used. So this I have taken the panel and sticked it to a MDA board. Then I have attached two ice cream sticks to it. Here I have used a flexible metal piece. It can be molded into any shape we want. So it will help it to flex, and we can give it shape according to our need. So here the wires of the light is coming. Here the wires were soldered, and then I have taken out the wires out from this pipe, from this hole, and these are the wires. So after sticking this ice cream stick, there was some gap between them, so I have filled glue gun here. Now this will not come out, and the gap is also filled. So now I will be just taping it with a yellow tape. So now I have covered the light. It is looking good, and I have used a yellow tape. The end is also yellow. I will be just attaching this light here, and then I will be doing the connections. Here I will be using an amplifier board. The board is like this. Here all the connections are marked. Here were the connection of speaker. I have connected two wires here, and here we have to connect the battery. Here B minus and B plus is written, which means that we have to connect negative and positive terminal to minus and plus. So now I will be just doing the connection. I will be showing you the connections. You can refer to this diagram. The amplifier which I am using is not available, so you can use the amplifier which I have given in the description, and this is the wiring for it. Now I have done all the connections which are to be done from the back. Here I have connected the amplifier board. Here is the light. Here is the two switches turning on the lights and the amplifier. So this is for amplifier board. You can see blue light is glowing, which means that this amplifier board is working. So now I will off it. So now I will just switch on the light. You can see it is not glowing now. Now it is glowing. So now I will be just using a MDA board here. This board will be sticked here, and it will cover the area. So I have sticked the piece here. After sticking this piece, I found some gap. So I filled it with MDA board. So now I will be taking the back piece. I am taking a back. I have measured all this length and then made a back piece for it. This can be easily. It can come here like this. I will just stick it, but before that I have taken out the wires of the speakers from here. It is going down, and I have made a slide cut, and it is going out like from here, and here is the wire. Then I have made a hole in the front portion. The wires are coming out from here. Here I will attach the speaker, but first of all I will cover the back area which was left. So this I have taken a piece of MDA board. Its length is 12 centimeter and the breadth is 5 centimeter. In the middle I have drawn a circle according to the radius of the speaker I am using. So now I will just stick the speaker like this here. So now I have stick the speaker to the MDA board. So now I will be just doing the wiring. Here the speaker wires are coming. I will just attach it to the both the end of the speaker. There is no negative and positive, so you can connect the wires anywhere. I will just decrease the length of the wire, and then I will solder them here, and then this piece will be sticked, but I will tell how to stick. So now I have connected the speaker here. I have used 3 pieces to connect it. I have stick them with instant glue. You can take the size of these pieces according to you, because it can come more out, so you can take according to you. Here I have fitted one more piece. It was empty from here, so I have filled it. So then I have made the base. So now the pen stand is ready. I will just now color it. So guys, now the pen stand is ready. You can see how beautiful it is looking. I have painted it in black color and then used a photo frame here. Here I have attached the photo, and you can see it is looking very nice. From here we can on the light. From here we can on the speaker. You can hear the sound of the speaker. So now I will be just showing you how bright is the light and how is the speaker working. So now I will be showing how the light is glowing. First of all, I will just turn off the light. The light is now turned off. Now I will just on the switch. You can see the book is clearly visible, and if we want to read, we can easily read. We can adjust the level of the lamp according to us. If we want more down, we can do that. If we want up. So like this, the lamp is working and it is bright and we can easily read. So now I will show how the speaker is working. I will just on the switch. You can hear the sound of the speaker when it get on. Now I will just connect it. It is connected. Now I will play a song.